Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to cover about light vehicle job vacancies in Dubai that you can apply right now. Uh, just to give you a very brief introduction. So this vacancy is for a light vehicle driver, and the company is a logistic company basically located in Dubai. So if you have some experience or ability to drive light vehicles, this will be a great opportunity for you. And what is special about this vacancy is you don't have to sponsor for or pay for your visa or accommodation. This company will cover it for you. So if I just give you a very brief detail about the job vacancy, what you have to do is drive their light vehicles around the Dubai according to the instruction, and this also involves some vehicle maintenance like cleaning these vehicles that you drive and communicating with the company. This usually comes with any kind of light vehicle driving job. So actually you don't need to have any specific qualification if you can drive vehicles, but these qualifications if you have, those will be added advantage. For an example, if you already have a UAE driving license, that will be an added advantage. And if you have knowledge about Dubai road networks, or if you have some previous experience as a driver in UAE or Dubai, that will also be an added advantage. But even without having those experience, still you can apply for this vacancy, and you can even apply for this vacancy if you are even if you are not in Dubai as of now. If you are in a different country, still you can apply for this job. So let me explain to you how to apply for this job. So you just have to visit this website. I'll paste this link below. Uh, if you can't find it, let me explain it from the beginning. So just visit Google and search for NewJobs.ae, NewJobs.ae, and you will get a result like this. And click on the first link here. And there's a field called Job ID here. You just have to enter this job ID, that is 6990 here, 6990, and click search button, and click this search result, and you will get this page. Once again, I'll also paste you this, I also paste add this link to the description, so it will be easier for you to click on it and find this page. And if you are accessing this from your mobile, you just have to click this search icon, and again in this job ID field, type 6990 and click search, and in the result list click this first result, and you will be able to see the same result here as well. So in order to apply, what you have to do is this, if you scroll further down, uh, there's this email in the under the apply section. So you just have to send an email to this email address with your CV by mentioning your details, and they will contact you for an interview. They will ask you about your details, and then you can start the recruitment process. And also another thing is the salary of this job is 2,800 AD to 6,500 AD, depending on your experience. And this is very high salary when it compares with the light vehicle driver. So this is going to be a very good opportunity for you to apply for this kind of job. So that is all about this vacancy, and thanks a lot for watching this video. And we will be uploading these kind of job vacancies every single day. So if you are looking for a job vacancy in Dubai, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also make sure to share this with your friends. So if they are looking for a job vacancy in Dubai, this will be helpful for them as well. So thanks for watching this video, and have a nice day.